If you need security without ruining the look of your space, meet FlexiGlide, a sliding, folding security shutter that can follow curves, secure large openings, and then fold away completely when you're open for business. FlexiGlide is a set of strong aluminium panels that hinge together to form a curtain. It slides horizontally and stacks neatly into a small space, so you get security when you're closed and a clean, open look when you're not. It's an ideal solution for spanning almost any width. One of the biggest advantages is that FlexiGlide is ideal where you've got limited headroom, as it only needs space for the slim top track. This is where FlexiGlide really shines. We can bend the track to follow almost any radius curve, including custom and complex shapes. It can secure openings that traditional roller shutters simply can't, especially when the line of the opening follows a curve. FlexiGlide is also a great choice when design matters. You can choose from various panel styles to suit your aesthetic. You can opt for open-style security for maximum airflow and visibility, like our Vision styles. Or choose more enclosed looks, like solid or perforated aluminum panels for increased privacy. For maximum visibility with full security, FlexiGlide can even be specified with polycarbonate glazing. This gives you a secure barrier while keeping the space bright and welcoming for your customers. These shutters are manually operated, no motor required. They are a simple, robust system that's easy to use every day. They slide and fold sideways along the track, then stack neatly out of the way when the business is open. Security is built in. FlexiGlide shutters use locking posts at regular intervals, typically including top and bottom chute bolts. There are multiple locking options available, depending on the level of security you need and how the opening is used. FlexiGlide is a popular alternative in shopping centers, airports, and restaurants anywhere you want strong security and a great customer experience. Whether it's a large opening, a curved frontage, or a space where a roller shutter won't fit, FlexiGlide is the answer. Talk to HVP about FlexiGlide. To discuss your project, contact HVP Security Shutters today. We'll help you choose the right FlexiGlide style for your project, ensuring security that complements your space.